Hey everyone, it's Brenda Stolyar, Mashable's tech reporter, and I can't believe I'm finally saying this, but we have our hands on Apple's highly anticipated AirTags. These are the company's first ever Bluetooth trackers that can attach to anything from your bag or your keys to even your pets. That way, when you lose one of them, you can use your iPhone to easily find it. And today, we're gonna give you a first look at the AirTags and walk you through all the built-in features. So let's dive in. Apple sent us quite a few products for this unboxing. So we have the single pack AirTags, we have the 4-pack AirTags, the leather keyring, and then the loop and the leather loop. So 2 loops, a keyring, 2 sets of AirTags. So let's start with the AirTags first. Okay, so they offer a single pack, so literally just 1 AirTag, and then if you know that you're going to use these on a bunch of items, then you can also get the 4-pack. Let's open up the first one. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to hold it. Wow, here it is. So on the packaging, you immediately have instructions to update to the latest iOS or iPad OS. So this works with your iPhone or your iPad and then the iPod Touch as well. So it tells you to hold it near the device and the instructions will pop up on the screen as they do with AirPods. As far as anything else that you get in the box, just some reading materials, and that's about it. Yeah, that's literally about it. All right, so let's take, oh, there it pops right out. And then you have some more wrapping. These are a lot tinier than they appear on video or in like the promotional video, I'd say. Oh, I don't know if you heard that activation noise. There is a built-in speaker so that when you try to find one of them, it has a sound that it plays. That way you can follow the sound. Oh, I don't know if you can see me, but here I am. Okay, so these are very shiny. They're made of stainless steel, and then there is a removable top to it, which is pretty easy to take off just now. It uses a coin cell battery, and they should last you, Apple says it should last you up to a year. Oh, okay, it's not as easy to put back on. There we go. So you kind of have to like twist it a little. But yeah, that was pretty simple, although I'm sure it did not seem simple on camera. Okay, so that is all that comes in the single pack. Let me open up the 4-pack before we get to connecting it. Okay, so as per usual, we got some reading materials. This one has 4. Got the instructions, and then you have all 4 of your AirTags. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, very cute, very tiny, very lightweight. They're about, I don't know what I compare this, bigger than a quarter, obviously, but not by much. So I wish I could like show you something to scale, but can't think of anything right now. So let's just move on. We will unwrap all of these. Ooh, we're gonna hear that sound again. I hope you guys can hear it. I'm gonna hold it up to the mic. I'll hold it closer to the mic. Hold on. I'll place the mic here. See if you can hear it. a little bit better because it's pretty quiet sound. Oh, so yes, they sent an engraved one. Hold on, let me first play the sound. Did you guys hear that? It's pretty cute. So you can get them engraved. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Just like you can with the AirPods cases. You can choose to, I just think that sound is so satisfying. You can choose to engrave them with your initials, emojis. I know Mashable has a pretty fun article on what you can and can't engrave, so be sure to check that one out. Okay, these are 5 AirTags in total, because I can do math. Okay, let's go through the accessories that they come with, and then I can also perhaps find some things to attach them to. So this is the leather loop. I'm not sure if I would use this one. You could put it on your luggage, I guess. Yeah, so this one is more so, it's longer than the leather key ring, so it's probably better for your luggage or just bigger bags that you want to wrap around the handle. This is the leather one. Oh, this one's nice. So you just pop the AirTag in to, oh, just kidding, I'm wrong. You open it, slide the AirTag in, and then pop it closed, and voila. And then you can just wrap it. Here we go. And there you go. So it should be able to wrap around your backpack. This is pretty nice, I'd say. Gives you a lot of flexibility as far as where you want to put it. Next we have the same one, but it's just in a different color, and I think I already like this color a lot better. Thank you for joining me on this journey and figuring out how the hell to attach these bands. But it's pretty simple once you figure it out. So pop that open, slide the AirTag in, shut it closed, and then you just bring the AirTag through. And there you go. Oops, that one's a little mangled, but you get the idea. So these are cute. I would probably put one of these on my backpack. I really like the like coral color better as far as, you know, one of the fun colors, but this would definitely go with a lot of things. All right, so we got those set up, and now let's do the key ring. So this obviously will be less work to figure out, but there are instructions on the back. You're welcome for figuring this out for you, but I guess it's a fun time to figure out as well. So same mechanism, just pop it open, slide the AirTag in, and clip it closed. And there you have it. Pretty cool. So for starters, let's attach this one to my keys. So there you go. Pretty cool, I think. Not too obtrusive. I mean, I have some crazy keychains already, so I'm not really one to talk about or complain about bigger keychains, but looks pretty nice, I'd say. Doesn't really add all that much, but Just feels like another keychain, which is nice. And I always lose my keys, so this is gonna be super useful, I think, for this in particular. And then I'm also going to put one on, oh, I'm all tangled up, on my backpack. See, this is where I would want to use the keychain one, because I probably just put it here. Okay, that's a fail. I don't know. Yeah, no, I cannot. My nails are too short for this. Oh, maybe I can. Actually, I did it. Yes. I would probably prefer this one because it just looks better in my opinion. Or the best part about these is that you technically don't need these attachments. If you have pockets on really whatever it is that you're trying to track, then you can just slide it on in here and just keep it in there. So that way it's not disrupting your style if that's what you're worried about. So I'm gonna take this off and put it back on my keys. These connect the same way that the AirPods do. So as soon as you place them close to your phone, it recognizes it and then it prompts you to connect. So here you can name the AirTag. Looks like you can give it a custom name, but there's also some common items that you'd probably attach it to. There's your backpack, your bike, your camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. If it's something like your dog or your cat, then you can also give it a custom name. I'm gonna go with keys on this one because I'm gonna attach it to my keys. I'm gonna try that again because I was looking at the camera. I'm gonna attach it to my keys and then it immediately labels it as Brenda's keys. So I'm going to add that back into the little accessory. Okay, so now it is all connected. So it has precision finding. So when the AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point to its precise location. Play sound, so find your AirTag by playing a sound from your iPhone, and then directions in maps. So view this AirTag on a map and use the Maps app to try and navigate to it. As far as specs go, there is that built-in speaker. There is also a U1 chip for ultra wideband and precision finding, which is that feature that I mentioned before. It basically uses Apple's AR kit along with the sensors and then the camera in your phone to overlay arrows and to help guide you to where it is that the AirTag is, because sometimes you hear the noise and you think it's close, but you literally cannot find it. That's something that I constantly experience with other Bluetooth trackers. I will show you what that looks like in a second, but there's also the coin cell battery that I showed you guys before. That's replaceable and that also lasts up until a year. Of course, that is depending on usage. There's also an accelerometer in here, and then it is IP67 certified, so it can be submerged up to a meter of water for up to 30 minutes. Now, that doesn't mean that you should go swimming with these, but it does mean that if you have them on your keys and it is raining outside, you don't have to worry about damaging it. Or if something spills on it, while your keys are on the table, or while your bag is on the table, you also don't have to worry that it's going to break. So you have to long press on a specific item, and then if I want to find it, I can tap the little find. I can also play the sound. There you go. And then let's try find. It's right next to me, but that's what Find My looks like, but I'll show you it in depth once I actually hide my keys and then try to find them. And then you can turn notifications on. Nope, I guess you can't. Oh, that's why. Okay, so there is also loss mode. So that allows anyone with an iPhone to help you find your lost item. Let's just talk about Bluetooth range. So when you're in range, within Bluetooth range, you can use the find feature and then the play sound. When it is out of Bluetooth range, you can use lost mode. So what it does is it sends out an alert to the AirTag. So any iPhone users nearby that AirTag can detect it and then notify you. Once they do find it, they can use the NFC feature built in to tap on the AirTag, and then that will prompt a website that includes your contact information if you choose to disclose it. So here it says, leave a number and message to be displayed for the person who finds this item. Also, it is locked to your Apple ID, so if someone finds it, they can't just take it for themselves and pair it to their own phone. And then you'll also receive a notification when the location becomes available. So if you are in range, all of a sudden, that you'll receive a notification. So I'm gonna enter my number, and then I'm gonna say notified. I'm gonna activate it, and then now it's enabled. And then mine says this item has been lost, please call me. There's an identify found item. So if you find an AirTag, you can also use the app to learn more about the lost item or see if the owner left a message, similar to what we just saw on the lost mode feature. So it says if you found an AirTag, you can learn more by holding the top of your phone over it until a notification appears. So again, using NFC, it should prompt you to that person's information. So to demonstrate the precision finding feature, I'm going to hide my obnoxious keys somewhere deep into the couch, and then show you guys what it looks like on the app when it tries to direct me to them. Again, using that U1 chip, AR kit, the accelerometer, the cameras, all of those are working together to quite literally guide me to where it is. I can also play the sound. That way when I'm closely approaching, I can manually tap on the sound button and it'll trigger that sound that you guys have probably heard a million times by now. Also, warning, my roommate is moving out, so my living room is a bit of a mess right now, so no judgments. So yeah, let me go hide these keys and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna press find nearby, and then telling me that I'm 14 feet away, so I'm just gonna keep walking. So I'm getting closer to it. Okay, saying to my right and ahead. So if you can't tell, as I get further away from it, it's telling me to literally turn around. So I'm gonna turn and then just walk right ahead. You can also play the sound once you're closer to it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but pretty loud. And found them. So that was a quick look at Apple's new AirTag Bluetooth trackers as far as features go, what it's capable of, what the Find My app consists of when these are connected to it. And as far as price and availability goes, the single pack is going to cost you $29, while the 4-pack is going to cost you $99. They are available for pre-order starting April 23rd and will officially go on sale starting April 30th. And if you missed out on Tuesday's Spring Loaded event, be sure to check out all of the things that Apple announced in addition to these AirTags over at Mashable.